Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to connect the JBL GO2 Bluetooth speaker to mobile phone. Before that, please subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. Now let's start the video. Now I am turning on the Bluetooth speaker. This is the power button. It is turned on. Now I am pressing this Bluetooth button here once. Single press. It is in the connecting mode. Now I will take the mobile here. I will open the Bluetooth. Turning on the Bluetooth, it will automatically search here JBL GO2. So I am clicking that. It is connected. Sound will come. Now you can enjoy the songs. Just playing one. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.